Hey guys, Jordan here with Coldlytics, and today I'm going to show you how to find the best tiling leads using Coldlytics. So let's get started. So first we're going to go to small businesses, and we are going to Phoenix, Arizona today. We are going to Phoenix, Arizona today, as Arizona is a rapidly expanding. Arizona is a rapidly expanding a metropolitan area, and because of how hot Phoenix is, people are doing a lot of renovations and they're building more heat economic houses. And tile is a good heat resistant and insulating material. So add that, hit next, lock that in. We are looking for tiling companies. So that, tiling. With our sanity check, we get lots of good businesses here. So I'm just gonna add that. Hit next, lock it in. And we are looking for owners and founders and then directors and executives. In case the owner has a C-suite title, it'll account for that case too. So next, lock that in. Filter, we are going with review first. Google review, set it between a 3 and a 5. These are the people you want to work with. Anything below that, they're probably not respected by their clients and their customer, and they'll be a lot harder to deal with, which not a great benefit for you, you know? So having them between a 3 and a 5, great to work with, treat their clients well, and it's just more benefit for you at the end of the day. So I'm gonna hit next, lock that in. We're also looking for ad pixels. We want, because there's probably so many tiling companies in Phoenix, Arizona, we can filter this farther. So I want to know if there's a Facebook ad pixel or a Google ad pixel or a LinkedIn profile. And we are not selecting and because and means like all of them have to be on the website, where or means only one of them has to be on the website. And we don't want to exclude companies because we messed up, selecting the wrong drop down option. And the thing with advertisement pixels is, if all the companies have advertisement pixels, then they're all going to be companies that are willing to work with marketers. So more benefit for you, easier to sell to. Finally, we're going to go to deliver, and we are going to just select all of these metrics. There's great ones in here. Google, great for intent. Social media, great for marketing insight. Their needs. If you're selling the marketing services, revenue, headcount, and data established. Great for narrowing down your 100 good leads to 20 great leads. Ad pixels are good for intent. Technologies from Google Analytics to page speed, great for narrowing down your list. And search terms are just great metrics overall. So I'm going to next to lock that in. Make sure to give it a title, set your context required. Save it as a draft just in case you need to cancel your task to change something. You're not starting from scratch. But with that being said, I'm going to launch this task, tiling in Phoenix. It's allocating back out in our task overview. That just means that you'll get your leads within 24 hours. And yeah, that's how you find the best tiling leads using Coldlytics. So I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.